Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to TradeSetup and the afternoon wrap for the 4th of October. Okay, we had the RBA announcement out today, and rates were held at 1.5%. Expectations were 1.5%, so nothing out of the ordinary there. Market didn't move a hell of it there, but we are moving a bit higher into the close. We'll take a look at the price action of today, and we'll also take a look at what we can expect from the S&P tonight, and we're looking at the euro and the Aussie dollar. Okay, starting with the 30-minute chart on the ASX200, we can see that uptrend the last few days or weeks has been holding. We have held those higher lows, and we're making new higher highs on our way up. Now we've got some major support at 54.18 down here, and then we have held 54.52 today, which is quite interesting. So it's good to see that, and good to see that we did obviously flush down the open and then wash out a few of those short traders from overnight, and then bounce straight back up through 54.57, and we have made the highs at 54.85. Now interestingly enough, they were highs from overnight. We have made that higher low. It's around the 54.70 mark, and just coming into the close, we just pushed straight through, back up through 54.85. Very positive for that price structure there, and we are looking towards the 5500, potentially higher in the next few days. We'll see what the US brings us tonight. Okay, this is the S&P 500. Now we're pretty much the same as the Aussie. We are holding higher lows, so the trend is pushing higher, but we haven't really made any new highs at the moment. So really the 1 day to weekly chart, we are just really contracting, but we are on this half an hour or 1 hour chart, sorry, making higher lows. So nice and interesting. If we just drill in a bit closer there, we can see this is an interesting level at 21.63. We have major support down at 21.42. We did push up to make that double top and just wash out that 21.73 zone. We have made minor lower highs and lower lows, but we do look potentially like we're about to push up through 21.63, catch out of three of those short positions there. We are in overbought territory, so it'll be interesting to see how that goes coming into tonight and through the European session. But it does look very much like it wants to go back up towards 21.73 to 21.79 and retest those zones there, but we'll see how that goes tonight in the next few days. Okay, over to the Aussie dollar 1 hour chart here. We are holding support at 76.04, and that's a major level there on a daily chart as well. Now we did flush that zone out there and just wash out a few traders, get a few shorts caught out of action, and then come straight back into push straight back above that 7600 level there. Now we are making higher lows. We've made one at 76.42, again at 76.54, and potentially this could be this zone here, 76.61, could potentially be another higher low, but we'll have to see how that goes. We are getting a bit extended into 7700, but price really isn't overbought at all. It's really coming down to, it's not overbought, it's coming down to oversold levels. So we'll see if this 76, I expect it to hold up the 76.54, and then we could just get that push back up through 76.81 to 7700. That'll be interesting to see how the action goes up there. Longer term, the structure still doesn't look too bad at all. Major support, like I said, at 7600. So we'll see if that can hold, and we can hold these higher lows for that push back up to 77. But it's going to be a big effort. That is major support, major resistance, up there. Over to the euro now. Taking a look at the daily chart, the longer term view on this euro. We can see we've got major resistance up at 116.75. If we can just drill back out, we can see it's come from really right up high 140, pushed all the way down, pretty much topple over, and then we've been finding support. We retested that 105. Now if we can just drill back out again, yep, that's 105 support, major level there, and we've just been making our way higher off that second retest there, making some higher lows and higher highs, but we're only going to be capped at that 116.75 on a longer term level. Now recent price action, we've made these highs at 116.16 and making lower highs, but at the same time we're making higher lows. So really that price action on the daily chart is contracting. It'd be interesting to see how that plays out. We have support at 111.25. Now if that breaks down, we could potentially just pop down, wash out those that zone there, pop down to say the 110.80 zone, and then bounce straight back up. But I think if we get through these minor lower highs here at 112.83. I think we're potentially going up through 113.65. If that can't hold and we do go up, we're going to go straight back up to 116.75, I'd say. So we'll see how that goes, but at the moment I think that's going to take some time to play out because it is a daily chart we're looking at here. Anyway, that's it for today. We'll speak again tomorrow. And don't forget, traders, you can go to our YouTube channel to subscribe. Just go to www.youtube.com/c/TradeSetup AU, and you can view all the uploaded videos we've taken so far.